All right, Piper, do you have any last words before your first run in the new seat?
Yeah, bye.
All right, let her rip. Hold on tight.
Oh, I hope I don't get hurt by that.
You just hold on tight.
Okay.
You ready, set, go. Hold on tight.
Now go get her.
Hi, buddy.
Hi.
You ready?
Yeah.
Say go.
Down.
Is she supposed to catch it?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, camera.
You ready? I'm gonna race you.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
That hurt my head really bad. That cleaned up in my head. This thing, Daddy.
All right, honey, you ready? I'm gonna race
Yeah.
you. Here we go.
Okay. I'm getting her.
Good job, honey. All right, buddy, you ready?
Yeah.
You tell me when to go.
Go.
Hold on tight, okay?
Okay. I wanted to swing with Evie, but
Oh,
didn't
nice,
let
buddy.
me. Dad.
Is it fun, buddy? How was it, buddy? Hold on tight, Sam. Good job. Thanks, Charlie. You ready, Mommy? Here we go. Hold on tight.